Hello students, welcome to PNMRC e-learning classes. Students, today we are going to learn part 2 of chapter number 9, Reproduction in Animals. Students, in our previous video, we have studied about asexual reproduction. In this video, we will study about sexual reproduction in animals. The production of a new organism from two parents by making use of their sex cells or gametes is called sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, the sex cell of one parent fuses with the sex cell of the other parent to form a new cell called zygote. This zygote then grows and develops to form a new organism. Thus, in sexual reproduction, two parents are needed to produce a new organism. The two parents which are involved in sexual reproduction are called male and female. The male and female parents have special organs in them which produce male sex cells and female sex cells respectively, which are required in sexual reproduction. The humans, fish, frogs, cats and dogs all reproduce by the method of sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, the young one or offspring produced is not an exact copy of the parent. Students, the basic difference between asexual and sexual reproduction is that only one parent is needed in asexual reproduction, whereas two parents are needed in sexual reproduction. Another difference is that no sex cells or gametes are involved in asexual reproduction, but sex cells or gametes take part in sexual reproduction. Students, in order to understand the sexual reproduction in animals, we should know the meanings of some important terms like male sex, female sex, gametes, sperms, eggs or ova, fertilization and zygote, which are involved in sexual reproduction. We shall discuss them one by one in our video. So our first topic is male and female. Our father is a male and our mother is a female. We can also say that our father has male sex and our mother has female sex. Now our father is a man and our mother is a woman. This means that a man is a male where a woman is a female. Thus, a man is said to have male sex and a woman is said to have female sex. Just like us, human beings, other animals also have male and female sexes. As we will learn after a while, being male or female depends on the type of sex cells present in one's body. An animal having male sex cells called sperms in its body is called male. On the other hand, an animal having female sex cells called egg or ova in its body is called female. We will now discuss gametes. Now we will discuss about gametes. What are gametes? Sexual reproduction takes place by the combination of special reproductive cells called sex cells. These sex cells are also known by another name which is gametes. We can now say that the cells involved in sexual reproduction are called gametes. Gametes are of two types, male gametes and female gametes. The male gametes in animals is called sperm and the female gamete in animals is called egg or ovum. We will now describe sperms and eggs or ovum in detail. Our male gamete is sperms. The sperms are extremely small cells and we need a microscope to see them. A sperm is about 0.05 millimeter long. A highly enlarged sketch of sperm is shown in the picture. A sperm has a head, a middle piece and a tail. A sperm is a single cell with all the usual cell components like nucleus, cytoplasm and cell membrane. The nucleus of sperm cell is tightly packed in its head. The sperm cell has very little cytoplasm. The purpose of tail of sperm is to make it move. The sperm move by waving its tail from side to side. The term sperm is the short form of the word spermatozoon, which means male sex cell or male gamete. Students, female gamete is egg or ova. The eggs or ova are also very small and we need a microscope to see them. Eggs or ova are however much larger than the sperms. The human egg or ovum is round and about 0.15 millimeter in diameter. A highly enlarged sketch of an egg or ovum is shown in the figure. The egg or ovum is also a single cell having a nucleus, cytoplasm and a cell membrane. Outside the cell membrane of egg or ovum has a thin layer of jelly called jelly coat, which allows only one sperm to enter into it during fertilization. Next topic is fertilization. For sexual reproduction to occur, a male gamete must combine or fuse with a female gamete. The fusion of a male gamete with a female gamete to form a zygote during sexual reproduction is called fertilization. Since the male gamete of an animal is called sperm and the female gamete of an animal is called egg or ovum, therefore we can also say that the fusion of a sperm with an egg or ovum to form a zygote during sexual reproduction is called fertilization. Thus, the process of fertilization produces a new cell called zygote. The zygote is actually a fertilized egg or fertilized ovum. Students, these are the pictures of fertilization. You can see in the pictures that how fertilization occur in female. In human beings, the process of fertilization is the meeting of sperm cell from a father with an egg cell from the mother to form a fertilized egg cell called zygote. Though many sperms try to enter the egg, only one sperm is successful in entering the egg. When the head of sperm enters the egg, then the nucleus of sperm cell fuses with the nucleus of egg cell to form a new nucleus. All the multicellular animals, including humans, start their life from the single cell called zygote. Students, I end my video here only. We will continue this topic in my next session. Up till then, thank you.